you're a content creator and you're tired of spending hours editing YouTube videos, TikToks, Instagram Reels, or podcast clips, well, I'm giving away a completely free Premiere Pro preset pack for content creator video editors right now. This pack includes over 30 plus animated caption MOGRTs for short form videos or TikToks. It also includes smooth SaaS style text animations, 10 of the most common sound effects and meme sound effects that I actually use in my own videos, film burn flashes, overlays, transitions, emphasis, zoom ins, zoom out intros, and a bunch more editing assets I use all the time to make my content in Premiere. And the reason I'm doing this is because I know how annoying and time consuming editing can be, especially since most of the editing process is actually just cutting out the bad takes, repeats, and mess ups of your video like this. Damn it, I'm gonna have to edit that out. So along with this free preset pack, I'm also letting video editors try out my new AI Claude-powered Premiere Pro plugin, which automatically cuts out the bad takes and repeats of your recording, completely for free for 3 days. This AI plugin is called AutoEdit Content Creator Mode, and it uses AI to actually understand the transcript of your video and like the topic of your video, and then it'll cut out all the bad takes and repeats actually based off the context of what you're saying, not just cutting out silences, filler words, and standard repeats. So instead of spending hours editing your content, you can get a full rough cut in minutes, and then on top of that, spice up your videos with cool effects, overlays, text animations, sound effects, and transitions using the free content creator preset pack, which I promise will at least cut your editing time down in half. And the cool thing is you get the free editing preset pack completely for free forever, and you get to try out this AI Claude plugin completely for free. Everything's linked down below. Happy editing.